It's Tuesday, which means new Blue Apron box. I'm excited because this one has something different and new. Let's see. So, in this box is the Beyond Burger. It's something new that's coming to Blue Apron, and this week is the caramelized onion and cheddar Beyond Burger. I'm so excited to try it. So, open our box here. Here it is. This is it. So I'm gonna be making this one and then taste testing it to see how I like it. Stay tuned. So for the ingredients, it says that I need the Beyond Burger plant-based patties, which is this baby right here. And then a sweet onion. I have some in my fridge, so I'm gonna be using that. Some green beans, one of my favorites. Balsamic vinegar, apple cider vinegar. I believe they're all in this knick-knack thing. So, yeah, in here. And then potato buns. There they are. Some garlic cloves. And white cheddar. Cheese. Alright, let's begin. Okay, first things first, take your green beans. And let's go wash them. Okay, next take your onion and then I'm just gonna use half of this. Just use half. So, I'm gonna peel it. And let's dice it. like. 2 burgers. And a garlic green bean. Well, I didn't put garlic in mine, but green bean salad. Now for the taste test, anybody? Okay. Bun's good. It looks like real meat to me. It's good. Try it.